My name is Jack Hanney, and welcome to this week's edition of The Insider. The week ahead, Trump is heading to Davos amid the U.S.-EU crises and concerns over Trump's comments about acquiring Greenland in retaliation for not winning the Nobel Peace Prize. Markets are rattled ahead of the Fed meeting later this month, January 27th and 28th, especially as the DOJ had subpoenaed the Fed regarding the $2.5 billion construction of the new Federal Reserve building. Many said that it was in retaliation and an escalation of the aggression to lower interest rates, which Trump has repeatedly requested that the Fed and Jerome Powell do. We will find out on January 27th and 28th if the Feds are going to cut rates a quarter basis point or a half a basis point. The labor market seems to support a rate cut, but many are anticipating and waiting to see what does happen January 27th and 28th. Meanwhile, it looks as though the AI trade is unwinding. Stocks like Salesforce, as well as even Nvidia, are unwinding and have fallen from their 52-week highs, as have other AI stocks. Many have concerns about the AI bubble and the similarities to the dot-com bubble of 2000. But if you look, physical gold and silver have soared. Silver is over $94 an ounce. Now, we've been shooting these insider videos for about 3 years now, and when we started shooting these, silver was in the 20s. Silver is now $94 an ounce. Bank of America earlier last week came out with a forecast of anywhere between $135 to $309 an ounce silver. Many do anticipate it to surpass its inflation-adjusted high, which is $209 an ounce. Gold, meanwhile, is at $4,655 an ounce, on its way to $5,000 an ounce. We are seeing a rotation out of AI and out of the stock market and into safe haven assets. Bank of America said that if just 55% of retail investment demand went into gold, we could see $8,000 an ounce gold. And legendary investor Frank Holmes did forecast gold to reach $7,000 an ounce before the end of Trump's term. I am not a certified financial investment advisor, nor do I give tax advice. You can visit us at www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-488-5190. So with geopolitical tensions heating up, with the U.S.-EU crises, with Trump going to Davos, a Fed meeting at the end of the month, a lot of retail investors are just looking for certainty and rotating into physical gold and silver. Shouldn't you? Thank you, and I'll speak with you next week on an episode of The Insider.